Another capsule session of BH Infopedia. This is the last capsule session regarding your language section before your entrance examination. Tomorrow is your examination. All the very best for your examination. One word substitution, that is mostly asked in every examination, like in your BA entrance examination and other competitive examination also. So let's start. First is an eater of flesh is called carnivore. An eater of everything is called omnivore. An eater of only grass and greenery is herbivore. A lover of mankind is philanthropist. Antonyms misanthrope. ठीक है. One who cares for all, elatrist. One who does something for pleasure and not for profession, amateur. One who destroys the government order is anarchist. A person appointed to solve dispute between two side parties is arbitrator. A person who doesn't believe in God, atheist or thesis, antonym. Okay. One who is bad in spelling, handwriting, cacographist. Okay. Calligraphist is antonym. A person who is blindly devoted in the idea or a person, Calvinist. Okay. Next is one who sneers at the beliefs of others, cynic. Person who thinks, person or things of same time is contemporaries. Man who is womanish in habit, effeminate. A lover of oneself, one's own advancement is egoist. One who often talks of his achievement is egoist again. A person who leaves his country to settle in another country is emigrant. A person who comes to a country from his country to settle is emigrant. Emigrant and immigrant. One who is hard to be pleased, who is very choosy and selective in habit is fastidious. Next is one who works for the welfare of a woman, feminist. Philologist, antonym is misogynist. One who hates women is misogynist. Okay, do like this video, share this video and subscribe to BH Infopedia. And all the very best for tomorrow. A lover of good food is groundman. One who acts against religion is heretic. One who is over anxious about his health is hypochondriac. One who is against images and traditions, moral value is iconoclast. One who doesn't tire easily, indefatigable. Okay, pronunciation is bad but you can understand the terms. One too strong to be defeated, invincible. One who hates marriage, misogamist. Practice for more than one marriage, polygamy. Next is a lover of oneself is narcissist. One who loves at the bright and positive side of things is optimistic, and antonym is pessimistic. Okay. Fourth Thomas is related after death. A person who walks in sleep is called somnambulist. A person who talks in sleep is called somnilquist. ठीक है, somniloquist. Next is one who is extremely fond of her wife is Eudoxerius. Okay. One who is brilliant performance on a stage is virtuoso. One who adapts oneself readily various situation is versatile. PDF आपको टेलीग्राम पे प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा. 2 से 3 बार इसको रिवाइज कर लेना. क्विक रिविजन इसी में आपका कहलाएगा. ठीक है. एनिमल्स लिविंग इन बोथ लैंड एंड वाटर इज कॉल्ड एम्फीबियन. Animals that live in water is aquatic. A statement accepted as true without proof is axiom. That bears no name is anonymous. Examining of living tissue is biosphere. Fit to eat is edible. Fit to drink is potable. What lasts for a very short time is ephemeral. That causes that is fatal. That is incapable for being read is eligible. That cannot be corrected is incorrectable. That cannot be avoided is inevitable. That can be understood is intelligible and antonym is untangible या फिर unintangible. ठीक है. A matter written by hand is manuscript. One who is present everywhere is omnipresent. All powerful is omnipotent. knows everything is omniscient. Okay. And remedy for all diseases, panacea, amrit. An act of separation of person to avoid infection is quarantine or isolation. Okay, now BH Infopedia, Elongopedia, let's see. A place for wrestling is called arena. A place of a shelter of horses is called stable. A residence of a monks and priests are called monastery. A place for housing airplane is called hangar. The sleeping room in an institution or hostel is called dormitory. A place for luggage at railway station is called cloak room. Place for ammunition and weapons are called arsenal. Place where birds are kept are called aviary. Place where bees are kept are called apiary. Tanks of fish are called aquarium. A person who presents a radio TV program is anchor. One who draws map is called cartographer. One who gives shape to the stone is called sculpture or a sculptor. Okay. One who supervises in examination hall is called invigilator, जो आपके examination में होंगे. One who compiles dictionary is called lexicographer. Government by official is called bureaucracy. Government by king and queen, monarchy. Government, absence of government, anarchy. Government by people is called democracy. Indian government, democracy. Government by rich is called plutocracy. Government by laws is called theocracy. Suicide, killing oneself. Parasite, killing someone's father. Matricide is killing someone's mother. Oxrocide is killing someone's wife. Fratricide is called killing brother. Genocide is called killing the race and all the human being. Regicide, killing the king or the ruler. Infanticide is killing the infant. Okay. Crematorium, a place where the last funeral rites are performed and practiced. Study of sound is phonetics. Study of earthquake is seismology. Study of method of teaching is pedagogy. Study of coins and metal is numismatics. Origin of history of words is etymology. Study of insect is called entomology. Study of cells is called cytology. Study of plants is called botany. Science dealing with the structure of animals, plants and human body is anatomy. Chemistry in ancient time is alchemy. Phobians and mental disorder. Let's see. Fear of high places, acrophobia. Fear of traveling, hodophobia. Fear of water, hydrophobia. Extreme fear about beauty is celophobia. Fear of insect is entomophobia. Fear of getting fat is anorexia. Okay. Fear of dogs, cynophobia. Fear of God, theophobia. Fear of ghost, phasmophobia. Fear of old memories, menemophobia. A compulsive desire to steal is kleptomania. State of person can't sleep is insomnia. Delusion, the delusion that one is God, theomania. Great desire to talk, logomania. Delusion of being under evil spirit is demonomania. Okay. Next is all about the English one word substitution. इसको आप 2 से 3 बारी पढ़ लीजिएगा, मेमोराइज़ कर लीजिएगा. होप करते हैं ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी. कमेंट करके ज़रूर मेंशन कर देना. PDF आपको टेलीग्राम पे मिल जाएगा जिसके लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. साइनिंग ऑफ. टाटा.